Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Gboard and adding it to iPhone keyboards. Open Settings, go to General, then Keyboard, and tap Add New Keyboard to pick Gboard. Once added, tap Gboard in the keyboard list and enable Allow Full Access. This lets Gboard use swipe typing, search, and GIF. You need that permission for the keyboard to function fully, so make sure to confirm the dialog. After that, return to any app to begin configuring behavior and preferences for immediate use. Once Gboard is added, make it easy to access by moving it to the top of your keyboard list in Settings Right Arrow Keyboard Right Arrow Edit. That makes it the default when you tap a text field. Open any app, then long press the globe or emoji key to choose Gboard and try glide typing or voice dictation to see how they speed input. Next, customize theme, text correction, and search inside the Gboard app or keyboard panel so the keyboard matches how you type and what tools you use most. You finish by practicing switching and using Gboard features. Press the globe key to toggle keyboards or long press it to select Gboard instantly. Once done, test GIF, clipboard, and integrated Google search inside the keyboard so you know where each tool lives. If something goes wrong, first update the Gboard app and restart the app or phone. If problems persist, reinstall Gboard, re-enable Allow Full Access, and make sure iOS is up to date. That usually resolves missing keyboard or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.